Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In this video, I am going to talk about future tenses at a glance. We have will plus V1 form structures. Three structures we will be learning in this video. Will plus V1 form, will be plus V4 form. V4 form means ing form. Examples: going, coming, taking, giving, explaining, etc. Will have plus V3 form. So verb first form, verb fourth form and verb third form. Will plus V1 form, will be plus V4 form and will have plus V3 form. To explain this, I have taken one simple example. What is the example? Let us learn here. So first of all, we are in present and we are talking about future events. We are talking about future actions, or we are talking about future programs. Okay, so here we are here now and we are talking about future events. First one, I will go to the shopping center at 10 o'clock tomorrow. So you have decided that tomorrow you will visit or you will go to shopping center. So now we are now in the present and we are talking about future. So I will go to the shopping center at 10 o'clock tomorrow. So that means you will start at 10 o'clock. You will start at 10 o'clock. So first action here, I will go. Okay. So what is the structure? Will plus go. Will plus go. Will, you can notice here, will and go. I will go to shopping center at 10 o'clock tomorrow. Okay. So the shopping center is 40 kilometers away from my house. It takes 2 hours to reach there. Okay, so I will go at 10 o'clock. So I will start, at 10 o'clock. Then 2 hours journey. So what we have to do after that? The second one, what is the second one? At 11 a.m. I will be going to the shopping center. What will I be doing at 11 o'clock? What will I be doing? I will be going to the shopping center. So I will be in the middle of my way. The action will be happening, or action will be in progress, or action will be going on. So I will be going. I will be in the middle of my way. So the meaning of this sentence is I will be in the middle of my way. So action will be going. At 11 o'clock, I will be going. I will be going to the shopping center. So here you can notice that will be plus V4 form. So this is V4 form, will be plus V4 form. Okay, I will be going to the shopping center at 11 o'clock tomorrow. Now next one, what is the meaning of this one? I will be in the middle of my way. Action will be going on, action will be happening, or action will be in progress. Last one, I will have reached the shopping center at 12 o'clock tomorrow. The third action, what is that one? I will have reached, action will have completed at 12 o'clock tomorrow. Action will have completed. I will have reached the shopping center at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So you can notice that will have plus V3 form I have used here. Will have plus V3 form. Will have reached. I will have reached. So here first one is, what is first one? I will go, मैं जाऊंगा. I will go, मैं जाऊंगा. I will play, मैं खेलूंगा. I will talk, मैं बात करूंगा. I will go. Will plus V1 form. Second one, what is the second? I will be going. I will be playing. I will be talking. I will be going, मैं जा रहा हूँगा. I will be playing, मैं खेल रहा हूँगा. So here last one, I will have reached, मैं जा चुका हूँगा. मैं पहुँच चुका हूँगा. I will have reached. I will have reached. I will have played, मैं खेल चुका हूँगा. I will have done, मैं कर चुका हूँगा. Okay, so these all three actions you can notice here. Easily you can understand, very simple. In the simple way I have explained here. First one, first action, I will go at 10 o'clock. I will be going what at 11 o'clock I will be going, I will be in the middle of my way, and I will have reached 12 o'clock, at 12 o'clock tomorrow. So will plus V1 form, will be plus V4 form, will have plus V3 form. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you for watching my videos.